The reason behind me preaching video marketing is because the exact reason to why I'm recording this video right now for you is so that you guys can see the way it helps build authority, helps build relationships, helps build rapport with your clients.
You know I'm on my, yes, I'm on my, yes, I'm on my.
What's good, YouTube? In this video, we're going to be talking about video marketing techniques for 2018. Not only just techniques, but where I think video marketing is going to be. I've been preaching video marketing for myself and for my clients since probably end of 2015, early 2016. Just the power behind it, okay? In the States right now, Facebook's launching this thing. They've already launched it. It's called Facebook Watch. And the reason behind it is because they see video as the most engaging piece of content. Part of the reason why I invest a lot of time doing Instagram stories and doing YouTube videos and everything else is because of the engagement that I get from it, because of the value that I can be able to bring to you guys. Now, video marketing, in my opinion, is the #1 most underrated used marketing technique ever, okay? Now, you can do video marketing in many different ways. You can do video marketing through Facebook ads, IG Lives, which I believe we are on right now. So for everybody on lives, you guys are awesome. YouTube videos, which this is being recorded for, IG stories. We can do just content. And 6, how to use them in your funnels. Now, if you're watching this on YouTube after it's recorded, there's a button right here. Click this button up here. So now, Facebook ads. A lot of people are focusing on Facebook ads right now from a perspective of, just writing copy, writing content, and everything else. And it's phenomenal. Content works, okay? The way I look at it for a lot of my clients is content and copy, and I can't remember the third one. But the reason why I like content and copy is because video can literally hit both of those at one time. We tested Facebook ads for the very first time through video as soon as it launched. And a client of ours that we were filling events for at the point in time literally packed their room. They literally messaged us saying, this event is packed to the rafters. What did you do different? And literally all we did different was we got her to record a video piece of getting people to come to the event by recording a Facebook ad. Like literally it was not even a 90-second video ad, and they came to that event from that ad. Now, IG Lives literally is one of those things that is absolutely insane, because you could literally hit live on your Instagram phone. You could be live to your audience. Now, it does, like, a lot of people look at, oh, I don't have thousands of followers on Instagram, or I don't have thousands of followers on YouTube. It doesn't matter. If you have 100 people, imagine putting yourself, if you're speaking from stage, whether you have 100 people or 100,000 people, it's going to be an audience that you're reaching to, okay? Now, a lot of people just look at the number on their Instagram account, but they don't put that as each person that's in there, each number that's there is a person. Now, if you can reach each person through your Instagram lives, it's like, why would you not? A lot of the times through IG Lives, what you can do is you can literally do video-driven content in a way where you're giving value to your audience, okay? It doesn't always have to be a pitch fest. I know a lot of times people look at lives, and especially in the Facebook world, it became a very, very heavy pitch fest. I'm not the biggest fan of it. I like just going on IG, answering questions. About a month and a half ago, I did a stint on Instagram. It was insane because it was like midnight every night here for me with a friend of mine, Zach, if you're watching this, you're gonna love this. Out of Australia, and we just did a little mini show that we called it the Mind and Money Game, where he comes from the mindset, he's a mindset coach, a phenomenal mindset NLP coach, and I came from the marketing money world, where we just did that, answered questions for 7 days straight with people, and that's literally the audience we did. And from just literally giving free content to people reached out to us, and I think I picked up 2 or 3 coaching clients from literally not a single pitch. It was just us giving content, and that is marketing. That is video marketing right there. YouTube videos. You're watching this on YouTube right now. This is literally all I want to do. Every single day, 5 days a week, I want to be uploading videos and giving you guys content on what's working in today's marketing world. We have the fortunate advantage to be able to spend a shitload of money in the marketing space through our agency. So I'm giving you content based on the context of data that we have from our agency that's going to be working. This is not something where I'm just throwing spaghetti against the wall and I'm hoping and guessing it's working. This is literally that's tested, trialed data for you. That's the reason why I'm doing this YouTube videos through video content, through video marketing for you. A lot of times, you're probably going to even see this video retargeted through an ad somewhere at some point in time. If you aren't following me on Instagram right now, I want you to hit literally in the description of this video, I want you to hit the button or hit the link and go follow me on Instagram, because I do, on average, 6 to 8 different stories, sometimes even longer. I'll do like mini lessons and stuff like that. There are a couple friends of mine in the marketing/finance world. One that comes to mind right off the bat is Luce, and he absolutely crushes it when it comes to Instagram stories, and he was telling me the numbers that he pulls just from doing IG stories and doing like he's got this thing called mini lessons on there. Hey, absolutely insanely loves it. Content. Now, a lot of the times, like this was one, and I talk to clients all the time. This is one that they're always wondering, like, what is content? Like, how do I come up with content? If you're in a business, okay, let's say for example, if you're in fitness, let's just use fitness for example. If you're in fitness, you know something in your brain that's going to be giving value to your client that they may want to see before they hand over money and do business with you. If you can give them some kind of free value through video, number one, you've already built rapport with them. Number two, they already trust you because they can see, like, know you. They can listen to what you sound like. You're not some creep that's hiding behind a screen somewhere and just typing like a keyboard warrior. And you literally are the person that's delivering value. Do not overthink content. A lot of the times people overthink the content portion of their entire video marketing strategy and they miss the boat. If you're a real estate agent, literally go out there, grab your phone, go to the house that you've just listed somewhere, you're showing a buyer and you're just walking through it. Show behind the scenes of things that you can do for your content across one of these platforms, because this is literally how you can do it. Every single one of these, you can download them. All of these videos, like your IG stories, you can download the entire day, turn around, take that IG story, condense it, put it onto YouTube channel. There you go, boom, you've taken your IG story, put it onto your YouTube channel. The next day, you've just taken content and syndicated it through video. People are seeing you in multiple different platforms. Using your funnels. Now, video, what we're testing right now is we're doing a lot of content-driven video for myself, for our company, for our clients, and it's been working insanely well. We just tested it for a client of ours in Australia, and literally we were having, it's a very different niche. He's in the dating world, and people weren't the most receptive to his audience or to his offer. So what we ended up doing is we just got him to say, hey, James was his name, said, hey James, go record some content in exactly what you're going to be teaching people at this free event and why they should attend. He went and recorded 6 or 8 videos, got it to us, and his events now are insanely packed. People are loving it. People are just coming there because they've seen his videos through Facebook ads from the content that he delivered, went through the funnel that we helped build out for him, and people were just saying, I don't even need to sit through this event. I just want to know what you're selling and I want to buy it, because they've already built that trust and rapport with them. So if you are not using video marketing, literally, if you are not using video marketing, you are absolutely missing out. Now, if you really like this video on YouTube, what I want you to do is I want you to give that thumbs up right there. Go ahead, hit that thumbs up button. That being said, guys, literally put some comments in the comment section below. Give me some banter here. I want to see what you guys are doing. I want to see what you're enjoying, and from all of this content. And if you have any specific questions, I've built a list, I think, of 120 plus videos right now just from reaching out to my Instagram audience. Instagram, if you're watching this, thank you for this, because a lot of these videos are coming from what you guys have done, and I want to do this as much as possible.